If you're over 60 and you're still drinking plain water, exactly the same way you did at 40, I'm about to tell you something that might surprise you. You may actually be accelerating the appearance of wrinkles, stiff joints, and collagen loss without even realizing it. And no, I'm not going to tell you to stop drinking water. I'm going to explain why water alone may no longer be enough once you reach a certain age. There is something very simple and powerful that you can add to your water every morning. Something that helps your body rebuild collagen, firm skin that has started to sag, and smooth wrinkles from the inside. Most people over 60 have never even heard about this. And once you understand why it works, you will never look at your glass of water the same way again. So stay with me, because we're going to talk about the biology of aging, but in simple language. No medical jargon, no complicated terms, just the truth, clearly explained, so you can take action starting tomorrow morning. When we were younger, our bodies were incredible machines for absorbing nutrients. Our skin stayed firm and plump. Our joints were flexible. Our muscles recovered quickly. Our bodies produced collagen naturally and efficiently without us even thinking about it. But after 50, and even more noticeably after 60, that system begins to slow down significantly. And this slowdown affects tens of millions of older adults, many of whom have no idea why their bodies no longer respond the way they used to. Your body no longer just needs water. It needs water that can actually enter your cells and trigger repair mechanisms. And here is what almost no one tells you honestly. Plain water alone often passes through the bodies of older adults without truly hydrating the skin or supporting collagen production. You may have experienced this yourself. You drink water all day. You try to stay hydrated. And yet, your skin remains dry, thin, sometimes almost crepe-like. Your joints still feel stiff in the morning. Wrinkles keep deepening despite your efforts. If what I'm describing sounds familiar, then this is exactly what we're going to talk about today. The problem isn't the water. The problem is absorption. Let me explain with a very simple image. Water is like a delivery truck. On its own, with no specific destination, it just drives around and delivers nothing useful. But when you give it the right address, when you add the right ingredient, that truck becomes an incredibly powerful delivery system. Nutrients begin reaching your cells, your skin, and your connective tissues. Without that companion ingredient, a large portion of the water you drink is simply eliminated before it ever has the chance to do the deep repair work your body needs. And this is where many older adults unknowingly sabotage themselves. Let's talk about collagen, because it is absolutely central to everything we are discussing. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and elastic. It also supports your joints, your bones, and even the lining of your gut. After 50, collagen production drops significantly each year. That is why skin begins to sag, wrinkles deepen, joints start to hurt in the morning, and body shape begins to change, even without weight gain. Here is something fundamental many people do not realize. Drinking plain water does not stimulate collagen production. Water alone cannot rebuild collagen. Your body needs specific signals and specific building materials to carry out that internal reconstruction. So what is the missing piece of the puzzle? It is something incredibly simple, inexpensive, natural. No pills, no injections, no expensive cosmetic procedures. Just one small thing you add to your daily water. Something that tells your body it is time to repair. Before I reveal it, let me explain why it works so powerfully for people over 60 in particular. As we age, stomach acid decreases. Digestive enzymes slow down. Mineral absorption becomes weaker. This affects everything: skin hydration, collagen synthesis, energy levels, and muscle recovery. When digestion is weakened, even the healthiest foods are not fully absorbed. That's why many older adults eat well, pay attention to their diet, and yet still look tired, experience rapidly aging skin, and suffer from persistent low-grade inflammation. Now, here is what you add to your water: fresh lemon juice. Yes, something that's simple, but do not leave just yet, because the way most people use lemon is completely wrong and does not deliver these benefits. There is a right way and a wrong way to do it, and the difference changes everything. Lemon is not just about vitamin C. That is what most people think, and they completely miss the most important part. Lemon works because it supports collagen formation, improves mineral absorption, and helps regulate your body's cellular hydration balance. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body literally cannot properly produce new collagen fibers. And older adults are often deficient without even realizing it, because digestive absorption declines with age. Here's something that surprises many people. Lemon. Water does not make your body acidic. In fact, it supports a more balanced internal environment, and that is absolutely crucial for skin repair and wrinkle reduction. When your body is in a chronic inflammatory state, collagen breaks down faster. Lemon helps calm that silent degradation process. Now let me explain how to use this method properly, because timing and preparation truly matter. This is not just about squeezing a lemon into any glass of water at any time. Morning, on an empty stomach, is the most powerful moment. Your body has gone the entire night without drinking. Your cells are slightly dehydrated. Your digestive system is rested and ready to receive strong signals. When you drink warm water with fresh lemon juice at that precise moment, you send a very clear message to your body. It's time to wake up and activate repair mechanisms. Warm water is essential. It improves circulation and absorption. Cold water slows everything down. In older adults especially, drinking cold water on an empty stomach can cause uncomfortable digestive tension. So use a large glass of warm water. Not hot, just warm, like the temperature of a comfortable bath. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into it. Drink slowly. Take your time. This isn't about quantity, it's about the signal you're consciously sending to your body. Within just a few days, many seniors notice better digestion in the morning, less bloating, and more stable energy during the early part of the day. Within a few weeks, the skin often appears more hydrated, brighter, and smoother to the touch. Over time, this daily habit supports collagen production and helps slow visible signs of aging. Now I want to be completely honest with you about something. Lemon water is not a miracle cure that transforms everything overnight. Anyone who promises that is not respecting you. Aging is a real biological process. What lemon water actually does is remove one of the biggest obstacles to cellular repair in older adults: poor intestinal absorption and chronic low-grade inflammation. Now, I want to address a concern I hear often from people over 60. Won't lemon damage my teeth? Could it irritate my stomach? These are excellent questions. For your teeth, If you sip slowly, consider using a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. It is not a problem for the vast majority of people. For your stomach, if you are sensitive or have a history of reflux, start with very little lemon, just a few drops, and gradually increase the amount over several weeks. Your body will tell you what it can tolerate. Now let's talk about the most common mistakes, because they can completely cancel the benefits. The first mistake, and by far the most common, is trying it 2 or 3 times and expecting spectacular results. Consistency is everything with this habit. Collagen rebuilds slowly, over weeks and months. Skin cells renew gradually. This is not a quick fix. It is a foundational habit, like taking your medication. Every morning, without exception, for at least 30 days before judging the results. The second mistake is using bottled lemon juice from the supermarket. It is not the same. Fresh lemons contain active compounds that degrade very quickly once processed, heated, and stored industrially. What you find in bottles no longer has much in common with fresh lemon. Always use fresh lemons. A fresh lemon costs only a few cents. It is one of the cheapest health investments you can make, and one of the most effective in the long run. The third mistake, and possibly the most important of all, is adding sugar. Do not add sugar to your morning lemon water. No white sugar, no brown sugar, no large amounts of honey, no artificial sweeteners either. Sugar completely cancels the anti-aging effect of this habit. Sugar actively accelerates collagen breakdown. It increases inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is the #1 enemy of collagen and youthful skin in older adults. If you change just one thing after watching this video, remove sugar from everything you drink in the morning. That change alone can make a visible difference within a few weeks. Now I want to talk about something deeper, because it's important. Aging skin is not just about appearance. It reflects what is happening inside your body. When skin becomes dry, wrinkled, and fragile, it often means your cells are struggling to retain hydration and to repair everyday damage. Supporting proper cellular hydration means supporting your overall health. This is not superficial. It is deeply systemic. Many older adults tell me they begin to feel invisible as they age. They no longer recognize the reflection they see in the mirror. They look at photos from 10 years ago and feel a sadness that is difficult to explain. This is not vanity. It is about identity, about continuity with yourself. Feeling comfortable in your skin matters. Feeling strong, capable, and confident in your appearance matters enormously for quality of life and daily morale. And it is never too late to start supporting your body differently. So here is your challenge for tomorrow morning. Before coffee, before tea, before breakfast, before anything else, give your body this simple signal: a glass of warm water, half a fresh lemon squeezed into it, slow, mindful sips. Do this for 30 consecutive days. Observe your skin, observe your joints, observe your morning energy, observe how you feel overall.